Today's topic is about corrosion on handlebars. Take this pair. It spent a whole winter on a trainer inside, going nowhere, but lots of riding. We see powdery white marks, that's the corrosion, develop on the bars. Where did that come from? What are we going to do about it, and why does it happen? That's next. First, it comes from the riders. Lots of sweat, goes down, gets on here, creates the corrosion. What to do about it? Begin with the cleanup. So we'll try and just wipe this off, and sometimes it just does. Great. Sometimes it takes a little more effort, possibly a little Scotch-Brite type material here. Clean that up, get those corrosion marks off. Don't leave it on there and rewrap over it. But sometimes you're cleaning and we're going to find a mark under it. Over here, we just have some discoloration. That's nothing. That's not the big deal. What we're worried about is actually up on top here. We have something that looks like a divot, a pit. It just kind of goes down. I can feel it. And if we look careful, we can actually see it. So, is that a problem? Metal has been removed. It's gone. It's as if I took a file on your nice handlebar and just, just a little one. More? Well, at some point, it's gonna be bad. Well, how about here? Surely one little mark doesn't ruin it, but as it gets bigger and bigger, yes, it's a problem. So, what's the right answer here? It's gonna depend on who you are, and it's not simple. Would you ride this bar, one little mark like that? Would you answer the question differently if you want your friend? Would you tell your friend to ride that handlebar? If you're a professional, it's even more complicated to explain to the user. Here, professionals owe transparency. Explain what it is, what it can mean. And again, it's not simple. I want to hear in the comments below what you would recommend. Any kind of mark here? Finished, don't ride it, or it's going to be okay, ride that bike. So why does this happen? There's different theories, but certainly moisture is involved. One is it's similar to how an aluminum nipple corrodes in a carbon fiber rim. When moisture is introduced, it can set up a cathode that literally creates a current and destroys and eats away the nipple. So that's just one. Another one, it could be a case of MIC, M-I-C, microbiologically influenced corrosion. We see this in the chemical industry, the petroleum industry, airline industry, and I'm wondering if we're seeing it in the bicycle world. Like the name means, it's little microorganisms that getting on everything, and your sweat and electrolytes providing the moisture can lead to attaching it, and they go to work and go to town. What to do about this? Well, maybe knowing that theory or thinking it's true, maybe some disinfectant. We're going to use some fungicides, some antibacterial solvents to clean. Maybe that helps. Maybe sealing it up. Maybe electrician's tape, and you're going to wrap around the affected area to try and seal it. But really the main thing I want us to do is be aware of it. So look under, look for the powder, change it now and again, especially if the indoor riding. Get rid of those bars when you think they're dangerous. Thanks for joining us and being a mindful mechanic, and quit sweating about it.